Well, hello, boys and girls. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today Miss Kenji made some of her favorite foods, and then I went outside in the sunshine and I heard the birds singing, and it gave me a great idea for an art project today. Music and art. Do you like music? I love music. So let's get started. Our subject today is Let's Play Music with Art. And our learning goal is students will learn about the history of different instruments in other countries and hear each instrument by drawing and coloring instruments and sharing it with their friends. Here are some questions parents and teachers can ask the students to inspire the lesson. So today, students, we get to go on an exciting journey to 4 different countries to discover what instruments were made there. So put on your hat and buckle your safety belt and get your art supplies, because here we go. But today, crayons, colored pencils, markers, we need our glue stick and our scissors, and of course, our pencil. We're about to visit our first country, and it's China. And the reason we're going to China is because the flute is the oldest instrument on the planet. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to take one piece of white paper and we're going to fold it in half. We have smaller sections and it's easier to draw. So fold it again. You will have 4 squares. Now we are going to take our scissors and we are going to cut each square. So first thing we're going to do is make an oval shape. And then at the bottom, make a half circle where the sound will come out. And then in the middle, put 4 circles. And these, of course, will become the notes when we're holding our finger down. And then at the top, make another oval where we will blow into the flute. And the flute is brown. So take your brown crayon and color it in. And then get your scissors and cut it out. Just like that. The next country is Italy. And Italy is in Europe. And that's where the piano was first invented. So let's get started drawing our piano. So first draw a rectangle. Make sure your rectangle is fairly large on your paper. And then we're going to draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now on the first 2 lines, we're going to make a smaller rectangle right at the top. And then get your black crayon and color it in. Just like that. Each one separate. Skip this line, don't draw anything here, and then go to the next line and make another rectangle here, here, and here, right on top, and then color each one in. Just like that. And there's no mistakes in art. We're just having a fun day together. Skip this line and go here and make one more rectangle and then one more right here. And color them in with your black crayon. Just on top, we have our piano. Okay? Now cut it out and get another piece of white paper. We're going to turn our white paper in this direction. and we are going to draw our conga. And the conga was first invented in Africa, but then it went to Cuba, and that's why they call it Afro-Cuban. So let's draw an oval at the top, and then come around on each side and cross over at the bottom. Then go back to the top and draw another line underneath and 2 V's, and then make a straight line from the V and a little square. And this is where they tune the conga. We're going to make it brown and yellow. So color the bottom brown, and then get yellow and go over the top, just like that. And then take your brown and color softly on the top. And then get your scissors and cut it out. So now, boys and girls, we have our flute from China, and we have our piano from Italy, and we have our conga from Africa and Cuba. And now we are going to draw the kalimba, and it is from West Africa, so let's get started. And the kalimba is also a rectangle. So let's make a rectangle on our white square, and then make a circle at the bottom and color it in black. And then there are 16 notes on the kalimba. We're going to start down closer to the bottom and then come up a little bit and then a little bit more, just like that. Then go back down. Just like that. See that? And then just create a line right next to the end of each circular line. Just like that. We're going to color it in brown because most instruments are made out of wood. So we're using brown. Just color it in. Just like that. And for the tines, these are the tines that make the sound. We're just going to color it in yellow. And then get your black crayon and put a line across here and one more line across. And the kalimba is played with your fingers. And you just click these little tines and they make a beautiful sound, which Miss Kenji is going to let you hear a little bit later. And then take your scissors and cut it out. Okay, boys and girls, get your other white piece of paper, and we are going to draw a picture that we're going to put our instruments into. First, we're going to draw 4 of our friends, and we're just going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. We're going to make 2 little lines that make the necks of our friend. And then we're going to make arms coming out to the side, just like this. Okay. And then we're going to go back and make a hand on one side and a hand on the other, so that everyone is holding hands, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to make a square down here for the body on each one. Let's give everyone some eyes. So draw in some eyes for each one of your friends. I'm just making mine to the side so that everyone is looking at each other. Make a little U for the nose and then give everybody a smiley face. Now you decide who these friends are going to be. But on this side, I'm just going to do some short hair. This is going to be one of my friends. And this one is going to be another friend. Okay. And then this one is going to be another friend with blonde hair. And then this is going to be my friend that has brown hair. And she has long brown hair. Now, take your crayon or your pencil and put a circle around their necks, just like that. And then you can color in each top. So you know, boys and girls, I just went ahead and colored in my friends, and you can do the same. We're not going to give them the legs because we're going to give them an instrument, and each person will get an instrument to play. Let's take our blue and make a beautiful sky and color all the way across. After you have colored your sky, go right ahead and put some clouds behind your friends, and also find a place to put a nice sunshine, because it's always a beautiful sunny day in Miss Kenji's art. So now we have our instruments, and we're going to take our glue stick and we're going to decide what friend you want to play what instrument. Okay? So I'm going to put some glue stick on my piano, and I'm going to give the piano to my friend over here. So just glue it down right beneath her or wherever you decide. My conga from Africa and Cuba, I'm going to give to my friend right here. And then I'm going to give the kalimba to my friend right here. Ooh, that looks so cool. And then my last instrument, the flute, I'm going to give it to my friend right here. And I'm going to put it near his mouth like he's blowing it. Just like that. Now, since my friend with the flute, his body is showing, go right ahead and draw his legs and his feet. And you can put whatever you want on him. And just get your green and color your grass. Okay, boys and girls, now Miss Kenji has a special surprise. So first, we're going to listen to the flute. Wasn't that beautiful? Now we're going to listen to the kalimba. Isn't that pretty? Here we go with the conga. Our last instrument we're going to listen to is the piano. Wasn't that exciting? I hope you had a fun time with Miss Kenji. I had a great time combining music and art. And once again, I am an artist. We are too. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. I am teaching art classes to elementary school level, and you can reach me on my Facebook page at Kenji Tanner, KenjiTanner. I would love to have classes with your children, especially during the summer when summer camp will be out. Have a beautiful day, and thank you.